Hi YouTuber! Today's video is going to be a little bit different from my usual videos and vlogs. It's going to be an unboxing video of the newest Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Woo! So stay tuned for the video. Alright, so let's get the video rolling. Okay, so here is the box that it came in. And I've got a little box cutter. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Okay. Okay, some technical difficulties going on over here. Of course, comes with a little thing, comes with a little receipt. Let's put that to the side. And here is the phone. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. But let's go ahead and take everything out of the box. Yes, my headphones as well. So excited for that. And they also give you a little thank you note. Aw, love it. And pretty much that's it from the box. So before I move on with the video, I wanted to give a special shout out to my fiance. Thank you, babe. I love you. He knew I needed a new phone, so he decided to get me this new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I had the Note 7 and I loved it, but unfortunately I had to return it due to the battery issue. So I ended up having the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, and it's starting to lag on me. It's starting to get slow. I'm starting to lose memory. So I definitely was overdue for an upgrade. Okay, so with this phone, there was a deal as well. So you can either choose wireless headphones or this Fortnite package thingy that I have no idea about. So there was an option to choose both, and we decided to do both to make us both happy. Of course, I needed these wireless headset for the gym. It is perfect, no cords, no interruptions, it's noise canceling, Bluetooth enabled. Like, I love it. I cannot wait to use it. And with the Fortnite thing, I believe you get like 15,000 V-Bucks and you get this like special edition skin for your character. I have no idea. But let's go ahead and take a look at the wireless headset. I know how excited you guys are to see the phone, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. I chose the lavender color, of course. It's just so pretty, so vibrant. On the side, it says Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And then on the back hand side, it just tells you some information of what the packaging contains. So I chose the 512 gigabyte. So it just contains the eject pin. The tool that you use to eject your SIM card and whatnot. And then let's see what's on the top. The moment you guys all been waiting for. Woo-woo, the phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out. Oh my gosh, it is just gorgeous. I love the fit on my hands. It doesn't feel too wide. It doesn't feel too big. I might have some trouble texting, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and look on the backhand side. Isn't this color just gorgeous? Look at this color and how vibrant it is. Oh my god, I think I'm in love with this phone. Okay, so enough about this phone for now. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside of the box. Okay. So you got the little USB connector here. You got the fast charging right here. And then you got some other little goodies right here. Of course, the wires. Got some AKG headset. Cool. And some different sizes of earbuds. And then some little tools for your S Pen. Alright, so let me go ahead and put these babies back in here so we can go ahead and take a look at the phone. Alright, is it gonna fit? So as you can see here, it is rectangular in size. It is very, very thin. I am not going to take the sticker off for this video because I am super duper clumsy. If I take these Alright, let me go ahead and compare the new Note 9 to my old S7 Edge. So let me go ahead and put it side by side. You guys notice a big difference or what? Huge difference, right? Oh my goodness, look at the screen size. This has, you know, the top and the bottom, whereas this one is pretty much just an infinity screen. Love it. And you can see how the S7 is much more rounder at the edges. This one is squared out at the edges. You can see how this one has a little button. This one does not have a button. Okay, so enough in comparison. Maybe let me just see the size difference. I mean, the thickness seems about the same, but I think the Note is slightly thinner. Okay, enough comparison. Let's go ahead and take a look at this phone more in depth. All right, so here is the bottom with the stylus, of course, the side with the power button, the top where your SIM card goes, the side with the volume button and the Bixby button. Okay, and then you can see the edge here. It kind of just flows to the side. I love it. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stylus. Wow. Isn't this such a gorgeous color? Like seriously, look at this. I'm literally in love with this color. I'm not usually a purple girl, but this color on the phone, oh my gosh, this is A1. Seriously. I cannot wait to use the stylus. Ta-da! Okay, so here it tells the date and time, and of course, since it was made in Vietnam, it automatically assumed that I am in Vietnam, so it says Ho Chi Minh City. So I'm gonna go ahead and just change that. Where do they have? So I'm going to click on Pacific Daylight since I live in California, and today is actually Wednesday, the 22nd, and the time is around 2:33. Okay guys, so I was finally able to set up my phone. So here is how it looks like. Of course, you can always change it and personalize it according to your liking. This is just how it's set up default, and of course, here are my apps. So far, it is very seamless. Everything is very smooth. Nothing is lagging so far. The downloads are pretty fast, and everything is really well with this phone. If I go to camera, at the top there you can see the different features for the camera. So of course there's auto, then there's live focus, pro, panorama, and then you can do super slow-mo, the emoji, and a hyperlapse. And again, there are different other features on the camera mode, but I will not review that today. I'm just doing a basic overview. But so far, I love this phone. It works really well compared to my S7 Edge. So that is all for my unboxing video and my first impressions. If you plan to get this phone, leave a comment below. If not, like my video and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.